ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಪು ವಿತ್ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಬಾಲ್ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ವೈಸ್ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಓವರಿಂಗ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಅಂದರೆ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಹೋದರೆ ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಓವರಿಂಗ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಈ ಕಡೆಗೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಈ ಕಡೆಗೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಫಿಲ್ಟರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಫಿಲ್ಟರ್ ಈ ಕಡೆಗೂ ಈ ಕಡೆನೂ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ಥರ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ.
Namaskar. So our guest is from outside the state. So my voter time should be either in Hindi or English, so that he can also understand and he also appreciate our gratitude or what they have done, what they are having for him. So first of all, I thank ATI for getting such a resourceful person from a Wadhwani Foundation, which is supposed to be a philanthropy foundation, which is giving the information, the training, everything free of cost actually. So, and Munakuma is a resourceful person coming from Wadhwani Foundation from Delhi. So I really extend my heartfelt thanks personally and on behalf of my department and other departments who are all assembled here, and on behalf of AD I also extend my heartfelt thanks for him to coming over here and engaging us from 4 days on various new technologies and new era, what has invading us, actually pervading our personal and professional lives, like this artificial intelligence, generative intelligence, which can be utilized in our day-to-day life.